Decoding AI, a simple guide to artificial intelligence. Ever wondered what powers self-driving cars or recommends your next favorite song? It's all thanks to artificial intelligence. Let's break down the different types of AI in a way that's easy to understand. Artificial intelligence, AI, is essentially teaching computers to think and learn like humans. It's about creating machines that can solve problems, make decisions, and even understand language. Think of it as giving computers a brain boost. AI isn't just one thing, it's a broad field with different approaches and capabilities. Understanding these differences is key to grasping the true potential of AI. So, let's dive into the main categories. This classification focuses on what an AI system can actually do. It's about the level of intelligence and the tasks it can perform. We'll look at weak AI, strong AI, and super AI. Weak AI, also known as narrow AI, is designed for a specific task. It excels at what it's programmed to do, but it can't think or perform outside of that narrow scope. Think of a spam filter or a recommendation engine. These AI systems are incredibly useful in their designated areas. They can automate tasks and provide valuable insights. However, they lack general intelligence and awareness. Strong AI, or general AI, is a more advanced concept. It refers to AI that possesses human-level intelligence. This means it can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, just like a human. Currently, strong AI is largely theoretical. We haven't yet created a machine that can truly replicate human cognitive abilities. It remains a significant goal for AI researchers. Super AI is the hypothetical pinnacle of AI development. It would surpass human intelligence in every aspect, including creativity, problem-solving, and general wisdom. This is often depicted in science fiction. The implications of super AI are profound and potentially transformative. It raises ethical questions about control, safety, and the future of humanity. It's a topic of much debate and speculation. This classification focuses on how an AI system works and learns. It's about the underlying mechanisms and algorithms that drive its behavior. We'll explore reactive machines, limited memory, theory of mind, and self-aware AI. Reactive machines are the most basic type of AI. They react to stimuli based on pre-programmed rules. They don't have memory or the ability to learn from past experiences. A classic example is Deep Blue, the chess-playing computer that defeated Garry Kasparov. It analyzed the board and made moves based on a vast database of chess strategies. It didn't learn from its mistakes. Limited memory AI can store past experiences and use them to inform future decisions. This allows them to learn and improve over time. Most of today's AI systems fall into this category. Self-driving cars are a good example. They remember recent events, such as the location of other vehicles and traffic signals, to navigate roads safely. This memory is limited, but crucial for their operation. Theory of mind AI represents a more advanced level of understanding. It would be able to understand the thoughts, emotions, and beliefs of other entities, including humans. This is essential for true social interaction. This type of AI is still largely theoretical. Creating machines that can accurately model human psychology is a complex and challenging task. It's a key area of research in AI. Self-aware AI is the most advanced and speculative type of AI. It would be aware of its own existence, its internal states, and its emotions. This would give it a level of consciousness similar to humans. The possibility of self-aware AI raises profound philosophical and ethical questions. What rights would such an AI have? How would it interact with humanity? These are questions we need to consider as AI technology advances. AI is rapidly evolving and transforming our world. From simple automation to complex problem-solving, AI is impacting every aspect of our lives. Understanding the different types of AI is crucial for navigating this changing landscape. This knowledge empowers us to make informed decisions about the development and deployment of AI. It allows us to harness its potential while mitigating its risks. The future of AI is in our hands. Now that you have a better understanding of the different types of AI, it's time to dive deeper. Whether you're a business leader looking to leverage AI for growth, a student eager to learn about the future of technology, or simply curious about the world around you, there's something for everyone in the field of AI. Here's your call to action. Business leaders, explore how AI can revolutionize your industry. Research AI-powered solutions for your specific business needs and consider investing in AI training for your employees. General public, stay informed about the latest AI developments and their potential impact on society. Engage in discussions about the ethical implications of AI and advocate for responsible AI development. Students, take courses in computer science, data science, or related fields to gain the skills needed to contribute to the AI revolution. Participate in AI competitions and hackathons to test your knowledge and creativity. Tech enthusiasts, experiment with AI tools and platforms. Build your own AI projects and share your knowledge with others. Contribute to open-source AI projects and help shape the future of AI. Don't just be a spectator, become an active participant in the AI revolution. Share this guide with your network, start a conversation about AI, and take the first step towards exploring the exciting world of artificial intelligence. Let's unlock the potential of AI together. Thanks for watching Tadhem.